Hello everyone. Welcome back to Rizat Graphics. In this short After Effects tutorial, you'll learn to create paper airplane animation. You can download the airplane vector file. The link is in the description. So, let's get started. Open Adobe After Effects. Go to the composition and create a new composition. Rename it to Paper Airplane Animation or whatever you like. Set the resolution to 1920 by 1080 pixels. Frame rate to 30 frames per second. Set the duration to 5 seconds. Hit OK. Now, go to the layer then New and select the solid. Rename it to the background. And click the Make Comp Size button. Then hit OK. Select the background layer. Go to the Effects and Presets. Search the Effect Gradient Ramp. Drag and drop to the solid layer. Change the start color to the sky blue color. Cool. Let's import the vector file. Go to the file. Then import. Click the file. Select the vector file and press import. Change the layer options to merged layers. Drag the vector file just above the background layer. Right-click on the vector file, and select Create Shapes from the vector layer. Now, you can delete the original vector file. We don't need it. Let's change the airplane colors. Now, weave two group layers under the airplane layer contents. Select Group 1. Change the color to white. Select Group 2, and change the color to darker. Perfect. Let's make it smaller. Now, select the layer, and press S to open Scale Properties. Set the scale to 25%. Looks good to me. Lock the background layer. Now, select the pen tool. Set the fill color to none. And set the stroke to 1 pixel. Now, create a shape. If you know how to create a shape from a pen tool, you can skip the video if you want. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications. Now, under the Shape Properties, go to Content, then Shape 1 and then go to the Path. Now, select the path and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Select the airplane layer, and press P to open position. Make sure you are at the first frame. and press Ctrl+V to paste it. Cool. Let's check this. It's not working as we want. So, let's fix it. Right-click on the airplane layer. Go to Transform and select Auto Orient. Click the orient along the path. Let's check it again. Cool. It's working perfectly, but it's too fast. Let's make it slow. Just drag the last keyframe to the right side, just like this. Perfect. Let's add the motion blur. Now, hide the path layer. We don't need it. Select the airplane layer. Enable the motion blur. Cool. I hope you've learned a lot from this tutorial. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more easy tutorials. I'll see you next time on Rizat Graphics. Thanks for watching. Good luck.